It's here, it arrived today. The viral Dubai chocolate. Sheby's Cicolata. Why would anyone spend that much money on a bar of chocolate? Because I'm a chocolate fiend. I saw the videos and I couldn't not be influenced. This is fancy chocolate. This is so fancy, I put on earrings. I felt like I needed makeup. I almost changed my shirt. I've had dates cheaper than this chocolate. This is from Ceres. It's the Dubai chocolate, but Ceres is a Turkish company all the way from Turkey. Let's open up the viral Dubai chocolate. How many chocolate bars do you know that come with a valued customer thank you note? It says they recommend placing it in the fridge for an hour when we receive it. I didn't do that, but I'm still gonna eat it right now. Oh, look at that. Turkish coffee. It does say in the rare case that the chocolate melts during shipping to contact them and they'll fix it for you. Excellent shipping packaging, I might add. This is one chocolate bar. What? I smell nothing. There's more packaging to go. Oh. This is like a loaf of bread. It feels like Christmas. Just kidding. Lots more to go. We've got the box, resealable watertight bag, aluminum foil, bubble wrap, ice pack. There is some liquid in this, but it is cool to the touch. That's good news. Here it is. Is there? No. How do I do this? I'm obviously not fancy enough for this chocolate. I don't deserve this. All right. Citiers. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. It's heavy. It's definitely heavy. And this is a really thick aluminum foil. You see how nicely this is packaged. The thought and care that went into this. Sheby's Cicolata. Sheby's artisan chocolate. Oh my gosh. Oh. Now I smell it. This is the first hint of smell I've gotten from this, and it's like, okay. It's soft. Hence their advice to put it in the fridge. Okay, we're doing it. Look inside. Do you need a closer look? Look at that. It's thick and it's soft. Like, this is very soft. I want it to be soft when I eat it. I want it to have that gooiness. It smells like heaven. Worth every penny. There it is. Melt in your mouth, but it's got that crunch. Nutty, buttery, savory, sweet. Perfect level of crunch with that stuff that's in it. I don't know what it is. I've watched it being made. They like get it all crispy in a pan. Oh, my theory was that if you bring this to a party, you're gonna be the cool person at the party because it's trendy, right? It's super viral, super fun. People want the opportunity to try this, but most aren't gonna fork over the money. If you do that, you bring this to the party and you're the person who gives everyone the opportunity, you'll definitely be the life of the party. However, on its own, if you were to hoard this for yourself, from your family, stash it in your desk area, for example, just off the top of my head, coming up with ideas. Also worth it, completely. This is so good. TBD which person I am. Anyway, happy chocolating. Enjoy your Dubai chocolate.